Welcome to the complete web development course with PHP. Today we will see how to download text editors for PHP. First go to Google and write notepad++. Then enter. Here we found the notepad homepage. Click on the home, or you can also click on download. Go there and see various versions of notepad++. We will just download and then click on your suitable which one is suitable for your PC or laptop. Just download that. I already downloaded, that's why I cancel the download and open the editor. This is notepad++. You can write here any code and see on your browser. Then one more text editor you can download is Sublime Text. This is advanced level text editor. Just go there and download for your Windows, Mac or Linux, whatever you have. This one also I have, so I cancelled the download and open the Sublime Text. This is Sublime Text. Here you can open whole folder you have, or if you have a project of folder, you can open whole folder here. This is not working, I think. Sorry for that. I am on wrong. I open file there. Now I am opening folder. You have to click on open folder to open full folder. Select folder. This is our whole folder you can open here. This is the advantage of this Sublime Text Editor. You can open in one click. Hope you understand, and that's all for today. See you in next lecture.